In this video, I'm going to show you how to add markers in Pro Tools. Now to do this, you actually have two options, either using the keyboard or a button inside here. So the very first thing you have to do, if you want to use the keyboard, you want to simply click anywhere to position your playhead like this. You want to press the Enter key, so the one on your numeric keyboard at the very bottom right of your keyboard. Press that, and there we go. It's going to say a new memory location, and you can add markers that way. But if you don't have that Enter key, or it doesn't work, you can also go and right-click over here somewhere, wherever you want. So right-click on any of those and make sure markers are enabled. When you can see your markers over here, you can simply position your playhead and click on this plus button next to markers, and that way you can add them as well. So I'm just gonna name this one marker 1 like this. You can give it a number, make sure you have to set it as marker, and then the ruler here, you can select it as well. And of course, you have colors, you have things like general properties, etc., as well as comments. Just go ahead and put all of these in and click on OK over here, and there we go. As you can see, you've successfully added a marker in Pro Tools. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.